You may be seated. All right, interpreter, are you on the phone?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Lázaro Fernandez, court interpreter.
Good morning, Mr. Fernandez. All right. Good morning to everyone. My name is Commissioner Campbell, and this is the 8 a.m. initial appearance calendar for April 16th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar.
Muy buenos días a todos. Mi nombre es comisionada Campbell. Esta es la vista incoatoria de las 8 de la mañana del día 16 de abril del 2025. Las órdenes emitidas por el juez para la toma de huellas dactilares y ADN emitida el primer día de ese calendario estarán en efecto.
Persons appearing before this court are reminded that they have the right to remain silent and that anything they say could be used against them.
Las personas compareciendo frente a este juez se les recuerda que tienen el derecho a no declarar y todo lo que digan puede ser utilizado en su contra.
Most of you have qualified for a court-appointed attorney. If you have not qualified, or even if you have, you may retain an attorney at your own expense.
La mayoría de ustedes cumplen con los requisitos para que se les designe un abogado mediante el tribunal. Incluso si no lo han hecho, tienen ustedes el derecho a emplear un abogado por su cuenta.
I will be calling you up individually for each of your cases.
Voy a convocarle individualmente a cada uno de ustedes para cada uno de sus casos.
At the conclusion of your hearing, you will be given paperwork detailing my orders in your case.
Una vez que se termine su audiencia, se le entregarán documentos donde aparecen un resumen de los detalles de su caso.
All right, we are going to start with Alberto Edir Alonso Gabata, please.
Muy bien, vamos a comenzar con Alberto Eder Alonso Cavada, por favor.
Morning.
Morning.
Mr. Gabato, will you please state your name for the record?
Señor Cavada, ¿puede usted por favor decir su nombre completo para que conste en actas?
Eder Alberto Alonso Cavada.
Eder Alberto Alonso Cavada.
And Mr. Gabato, what is your date of birth?
Señor Cavada, ¿cuál es su fecha de nacimiento?
5 de mayo del 89.
May 5th of 89.
Thank you. Sir, you are here following your arrest yesterday for assault, a Class 1 misdemeanor.
Gracias, señor. ¿Se encuentra usted aquí después de haber sido detenido el día de ayer bajo una acusación de agresión, una falta de clase 1?
I did find probable cause for that violation.
Determiné que hubo motivo de procesamiento por esa violación.
For purposes of appointing you an attorney for this matter, I am finding that you are not indigent.
Para los propósitos de designarle un abogado para ese caso, he determinado que usted no es de bajos recursos.
I am setting a hearing on May 6th at 9:30 a.m. in the White Tank Justice Court.
Estoy agendando una audiencia para ese caso el día 6 de mayo a las 9:30 de la mañana en el Juzgado de la Paz de White Tank.
Sir, will you go to that hearing?
Señor, ¿va a ir a usted a esa audiencia?
Correct.
Yes.
I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance.
Voy a permitir que sea liberado usted el día de hoy bajo caución juratoria.
However, you may not return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim.
Sin embargo, no puede regresar usted al lugar de los supuestos hechos o tener contacto con la supuesta víctima.
You may not reside at the same location as the alleged victim or go to the alleged victim's residence.
No puede usted vivir en la misma vivienda que la supuesta víctima o ir a la vivienda de la supuesta víctima.
You can arrange for one civil standby to collect your essential belongings.
Puede usted coordinar para que tenga un agente civil presente para que pueda usted retirar pertenencias si necesita.
Okay. Go ahead, step to the left. Officer will have your paperwork for you.
Muy bien, proceda, salga acá a su izquierda. La gente va a tener documentos para usted.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Jaime Olazabal Soto.
Jaime Olazabal Soto.
Mr. Soto, will you please state your name for the record?
Señor Soto, ¿puede usted por favor decir su nombre completo para las actas?
Jaime Olazabal Soto.
Jaime Olazabal Soto.
And Mr. Soto, what is your date of birth?
Señor Soto, ¿cuál es su fecha de nacimiento?
28 de agosto del 2006.
August 28, 2006.
Thank you.
Gracias.
All right, you were arrested yesterday on charges of possession of narcotic drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony.
Usted fue arrestado ayer, fue detenido bajo una acusación de tenencia de drogas narcóticas para la venta, un delito de clase 2.
Transportation of narcotic drugs, a Class 2 felony.
Transportación de drogas narcóticas, un delito de clase 2.
And possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 6 felony.
Y tenencia de drogas narcóticas, un delito de clase 6.
I am finding probable cause for all of those violations.
Estoy determinando que hubo motivo fundado por el cual generar todas esas imputaciones.
For purposes of appointing you an attorney, I am finding that you are not indigent.
Para los propósitos de designarle un abogado, estoy determinando que usted no es de bajos recursos.
As a result, I am not appointing you an attorney today.
Como resultado, no le estoy designando un abogado el día de hoy.
However, you may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you in this matter.
Sin embargo, puede usted emplear los servicios de un abogado por cuenta propia para que le represente en ese caso.
I'm setting 2 hearings in your matter, the first on April 22nd at 8:30.
Estoy agendando 2 audiencias relacionadas a su caso. La primera es el día 22 de abril a las 8:30.
And the second one on April 24th at 8:30.
La segunda va a ser el día 24 de abril a las 8:30.
Both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
Ambas en el Tribunal Superior del Condado de Maricopa, en el centro de la ciudad.
I am setting a cash-only appearance bond in your case in the amount of $50,000.
Estoy fijando una fianza en su caso de $50,000 solo en efectivo.
All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you.
Si puede pasar a la izquierda, el agente tiene sus documentos.
All right. Mr. Interpreter, will you please inquire as in the gallery if anybody else needs your services this morning?
Of course, Your Honor. Buenos días. ¿Se encuentra alguien más presente esta mañana que requiera de los servicios del intérprete?
We have no hands. Thank you very much, Mr. Interpreter.
My pleasure, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Thank you. All right, we're going to go next to Luis Gillian and then Mark Baca, please. Good morning. Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Luis Guillen, 0302.
Wait, say the birth date again.
010302.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Gillian, you are here today because of a, hold on. Because of the offense you committed, or you are alleged to have committed on or about January 9th of 2025, which is shoplifting, a Class 5 felony. I did find probable cause for that violation. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting 3 hearings in your matter. The first on April 22nd at 8:30, the second one on April 23rd at 1:30 p.m., and the last one on April 24th at 8:30 a.m. I am holding you non-bondable on this violation today because at the time you of the alleged violation, you were on felony release in a different matter. So go ahead, step to left. Officer has your paperwork for you. Mark Baca, please.
Morning, Judge.
Morning, sir.
How you doing?
I'm all right. Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Mark Anthony Baca, December 11th, 1988.
All right, and you are here today, sir, on 2 matters. You are here today because, well, let's talk about your existing 24 case, which is the CR 2024 142568. You are here today because on that case because the Superior Court issued an arrest warrant for your failure to appear or alleging a failure to appear in that case. And in that failure to appear case, I'm going to, well, let me back up. She's already been appointed an attorney, so I'm not going to appoint one for you today in that case. I am setting hearings, the first on April 22nd at 8:30 and the second one on April 24th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. This is on the 24 case. In the 24 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. Now, you are also here today because you were arrested yesterday on charges of possession of a dangerous drug, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. Did find probable cause for both of those. I am appointing you an attorney in your new case, and I'm setting 3 hearings in your new case. The first one is on April 22nd at 8:30. The second one is on April 23rd at 1:30 p.m. And the last one is on April 24th at 8:30 a.m. All of those are in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Because you were on felony release when you committed this new violation or alleged to have committed this new violation yesterday, I am holding you non-bondable today. Go ahead, step to the left.
Is that the new jail time for the $1,000?
So you have 2 cases. So in your new case where the violation date is April 15th, I'm holding you non-bondable in the new case, but I did also set a bond in your 2024 case. It's what the judicial officer had recommended in the 2024 case, and it'll allow you to get credit for time in custody as well, as long as the bond is set in that case, okay?
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.
You too, sir. Okay, Capone Moreno, please, and then Chase Ingstrom. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Capone Moreno.
Mr. Moreno, what is your date of birth?
September 2nd, 1996.
Thank you. And you are here today on 4 charges: aggravated assault, a Class 6 felony committed on or about March 28, 2025, aggravated assault, a Class 4 felony committed on or about March 30th, discharge of a firearm in city limits, a Class 6 felony, again committed on or about March 30th, and possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, a Class 4 felony committed on or about March 30th. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney in your case. I'm setting 2 hearings in your matter, the first on April 22nd at 8:30 and the second one on April 24th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $200,000. In the event that you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you will be subject to certain release conditions, including alcohol and drug testing and ankle monitoring. Again, in the event that you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you may not return to the scene of either alleged crime or contact either any of the alleged victims. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you. Chase Ingstrom, please. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Chase Matthew Engstrom.
Thank you. And Mr. Ingstrom, what is your date of birth?
April 29th, 2004.
Thank you. All right. You are here today because you were arrested yesterday for various charges. So we're going to go through those. So for charges that with a violation date of April 15th are as follows: possession of narcotic drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony; possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony; possession of dangerous drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony; possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony; possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony; possession of a weapon in a drug offense, a Class 4 felony; and possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, a Class 4 felony. You are also alleged to have committed offenses on March 27th, 2025. Those offenses are transportation and or sale of narcotic drugs, a Class 2 felony, possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 2 felony, and use of communications in a drug transaction, a Class 6 felony. I did find probable cause for all of those violations, both the ones on March 27th and the ones on April 15th. I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting 2 hearings in your case. The first on April 22nd at 8:30, and the second one on April 24th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a cash-only appearance bond in the amount of $50,000. In the event that you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you will be subject to certain pretrial release conditions, including ankle monitoring. Okay, go ahead, step to the left.
I have an appointed lawyer. I'm just not sure if I should tell you that now or.
You have a private lawyer?
Yeah, I'm retaining a lawyer.
Okay, so that's fine, and you definitely have the right to do that. In an abundance of caution, for the purpose of today's hearing, I'm going to go ahead and appoint you a lawyer here today. That doesn't mean you can't retain your own. You are certainly welcome to do that, okay?
Yes, thank you. I just wasn't sure if I needed to let you know, Your Honor. So.
I appreciate the information, but I'm going to go ahead and appoint you one, but you're also able to retain your own, and it should all work out. So go ahead, step to the left.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, Mark Baca, please, and then, oh wait, no, I'm going backwards. I'm sorry, Kevin Ross, and then Moses Salazar. Sorry about that.
Morning, Ron.
Good morning. Mr. Ross, go ahead and state your name for the record.
Kevin Wayne Roth, June 19th, 1996.
Thank you. And Mr. Ross, you are here on 3 separate matters today. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to start talking about your new case, for which you were arrested yesterday. And that is DUI, a Class 1 misdemeanor, 2 counts of DUI, Class 1 misdemeanor, aggravated DUI, because you had to interlock in the car, a Class 4 felony, possession drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony, and possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. I found probable cause for all of those violations. Based upon the limited information I have in front of me today, I did not find probable cause for the other charges on which you were arrested, which were possession of a prescription drug, a Class 1 misdemeanor, and possession of a dangerous drug, a Class 4 misdemeanor. Just because I didn't find probable cause on those 2 violations doesn't mean that those are necessarily dismissed, and a complaint may still be brought with those allegations, okay? But I did find probable cause on both misdemeanor and felony violations today. As I previously stated, I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting 2 hearings, the first on April 22nd at 8:30, and the second one on April 24th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in this case, in your new case, in the amount of $5,000. In the event that you are able to post that bond, no weapons, no drugs, no alcohol, and you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours, which brings us to your Maricopa County Superior Court probation case, which is CR 2023-148000. The Superior Court has issued a warrant for your arrest in this. Actually, no, they haven't. I'm sorry. So the allegations, let me back up. The allegations on which you were arrested yesterday would constitute a violation of your, Term 1 of your probation in CR 2023-14800. In that probation violation matter, your 2023 case, I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting hearings on April 23rd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your probation case in the amount of $250. Now, you are also here today because the Santan Justice Court has issued a warrant based on an allegation of failure to pay in their matter. In that matter, I am appointing you in the Santan Justice Court matter. I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting a hearing on April 21st at 8:30 in the Santan Justice Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in the Santan matter in the amount of $50. In the event that you're able to post the bonds in these cases and secure your release, again, no drugs, no alcohol, no driving without a valid license, and you will have to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Go ahead,
Okay.
step to the left.
So you said one of the cases was $5,000 secured, right? Okay.
So it's $5,300 altogether.
Thank you.
All right, Moses Salazar, please, and then Tyler Watt.
Hello.
Hi. Mr. Salazar, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Moses Salazar.
And Mr. Salazar, what is your date of birth?
7/10/2000.
Thank you. And you are here today because you were arrested yesterday on charges of criminal trespassing in the first degree, a Class 6 felony, and possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I did find probable cause for both of those violations. I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting two hearings in your case, the first on April 22nd at 8:30 and the second one on April 24th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in this matter in the amount of $2,500. In the event that you are able to post that bond, you may not return to the scene of the alleged crime. So go ahead. And actually, I should have said that, which I didn't. Hold on. I need to update that. Sorry. Sorry, I need to reprint that one. I apologize. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime. Go ahead, take a step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you.
Wait, I have other, like, warrants and shit.
So that's what I have in front of me today. It looks like you may have some stuff you need to take care of in Avondale, but I don't have that in front of me right now. Okay? Yeah.
Wait, so 2,500, that's 250?
All right, Tyler Watt, please, and then Jose Rodriguez. Mr. Watt, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Tyler Alexander Watt.
Mr. Watt, what is your date of birth?
3/16/1990.
Thank you. And you are here today, sir, because the Maricopa County Superior Court has issued warrants in 3 of your cases on allegations of probation violation. And those 3 cases, and they're all 2022 cases. So hold on, let me. All right. So let's take them one by one. So let me back up. I'm appointing you an attorney in all 3 cases, and I am setting hearings in all 3 cases on April 23rd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your case, CR 2022-124241, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $3,500. In your case, CR 2022-122994, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,500. And finally, in your CR 2022-108498 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. So altogether, that is $6,000 in secured appearance bond for all 3 cases, assuming my math is correct. In the event that you are able to post those bonds and secure your release, you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you. Okay, Jose Rodriguez and then Jeffrey LaCroix. Morning, Mr. Rodriguez.
Good morning.
All right, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Jose Rodriguez,
Mr. Rodriguez, what is your date of birth?
February 16, 1994.
All right, you are here today because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest for a probation violation in your case CR 2019-152437. I am appointing you an attorney in that case, and I'm setting hearings on April 23rd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in this case in the amount of $2,500. Go ahead, step to the left. You're able to post that bond. You will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Jeffrey LaCroix and then Patricia Clem, please.
Jeffrey. Over there.
Good morning. Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Jeffrey Scott LaCroix,
Mr. LaCroix, what is your date of birth?
9/26/1980.
Thank you. And you are here today because the Superior Court has issued a warrant for your arrest in a direct complaint matter in which you are alleged to have on or about December 18th of 2024 committed the violation of aggravated driving or actual physical control while under the influence of intoxicating liquors. There's actually 2 counts of that, both on December 18th of 2024, both class 4 felonies. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings in your case on April 22nd at 8:30 a.m. and April 24th at 8:30 a.m. I am setting a secured appearance bond in this matter in the amount of $2,500. Hold on. I think you're on probation in a second matter. Yes. So in the event that you are able to post the bond and secure your release, you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. No driving without a valid driver's license. Go ahead. Step to the left. Patricia Clem, please. All right, Ms. Clem, go ahead. State your name for the record.
Patricia Clem,
And Ms. Clem, what is your date of birth?
9/21/68.
Thank you. And you are here today because you were arrested on a warrant out of the Maricopa County Superior Court alleging that you violated your probation in CR 2023-118238. I am appointing you an attorney in that matter and setting hearings on April 23rd at 8:30 a.m. I am setting a secured appearance bond in this matter in the amount of $750. In the event that you are able to post that bond, you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you. Jose Puentes, please. And then Eli
Hello.
Amparano. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
All right, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Jose Guadalupe Puentes Jr.,
All right, and Mr. Puentes, what is your date of birth?
June 27, 1979.
Thank you. And you are here today on a new case out of the Maricopa County Superior Court for following your arrest yesterday on charges of possession of narcotic drugs, a class 4 felony. I did find probable cause for that. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on April 22nd at 8:30 a.m. and April 24th at 8:30 a.m., both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $500. Go ahead, step to the left. Officer has.
So I'm not going to go home.
Nope. Well, if you post the bond, then you can go home. Go ahead, step to the left. Eli Amperano, please, and then William Newcomer. All right, Mr. Amperano, go ahead and state your name for the record.
Eli Amperano,
Okay, and Mr. Amperano, what is your date of birth?
8/31/99.
Thank you. And you are here today following your arrest yesterday for criminal trespass in the first degree, a Class 6 felony, identifying probable cause for that. I am appointing you an attorney. Hold on just a second. We need to reprint this. There's a typo, and it is my typo. I'm so sorry. I am appointing, did I say I'm appointing you an attorney? I'm setting two hearings, the first on April 22nd at 8:30, and the second one on April 24th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in this matter in the amount of $750. In the event that you are able to post that bond, you will need to contact your, and secure your release, you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours of your release. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Oh, wait, now I understand, so come back. All right. I was looking at the wrong person. Well, the wrong name when I said you were done. I didn't mean to. The information was correct. All right, you were also here today because you were arrested on a warrant for a probation violation in your existing case, which is because the offense for which you were arrested yesterday also constitutes a violation of your probation in CR 2023-151917. I am appointing you an attorney in that case, and I'm setting hearings on April 23rd at 8:30 a.m. in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your probation case in the amount of $250. So that is a total secured appearance bond for both cases of $1,000. In the event that you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right. Yeah.
Order for the Berlin, same thing.
It is. Wait. Because I re-signed it. It's the one with the $750 secured appearance bond. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yes. So go ahead, step to the left.
Let me check paperwork out.
All right, William Newcomer.
House, Nancy.
Good morning, sir. Go ahead and state your name for the record. Are you able to state your name for the record?
William Newcomer,
All right, Mr. Newcomer, what is your date of birth?
4/3/70.
Thank you. And you are here today on two cases. And they are both you were arrested on warrants for allegations of probation violations in your cases, Maricopa County Superior Court cases CR 2023-14811 and CR 2024-134811. I am appointing you an attorney in both cases, and I am setting hearings on April 23rd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court in both cases. In the 2023 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $750. And in the 24 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. That is a total combined for both cases, combined secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. In the event that you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you will need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you. And after Ms. Perez, then Curtis Ruffin, please. All right, Ms. Perez, go ahead and state your name for the record. Can you state your name for the record?
Perez.
And Ms. Perez, what is your date of birth?
9/25/86.
All right, and Ms. Perez, you are here today because you were arrested yesterday on charges of shoplifting, a Class 4 felony. I did find probable cause for that, and I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting 2 hearings in your case, the first on April 22nd at 8:30. And the second one on April 24th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $500. And I'm sorry, we need to reprint this one, I'm sorry. I'm making your job hard this morning, Tommy, I'm sorry. In the event you are able to post that bond, you are not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with any alleged victim or witness. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer will have your paperwork for you.
So I'm getting out? I'm getting out, right?
I'm setting a $500 secured appearance bond. Okay, go ahead, step to the left.
But I didn't even take anything from the store.
Okay. I did find probable cause. You can talk. I am appointing you an attorney, and you can talk to your attorney about that, okay? So go ahead and have a seat. Thank you. Curtis Ruffin, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Curtis Roughton.
Wait, what's your last name?
Roughton. It looks like Ruffton. It's okay, I get it all the time.
Okay, say it one more time.
Curtis Roughton.
Roughton.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. And Mr. Roughton, what is your date of birth?
09/27/2001.
Okay, and you are here today because the Santan Justice Court issued a warrant for your arrest for an allegation of failure to pay in a justice court matter. Because of the nature of the charges, you're not entitled to have me appoint you an attorney today. That doesn't mean you can't, of course, retain an attorney to represent you. I am setting a hearing for you in the Santan Justice Court on May 6th at 9 a.m. Will you go to that
Yes,
hearing?
ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance based upon your promise to appear at that hearing. Appear at that hearing, do what you need to do so you don't wind up having to do this again, okay?
I just got my job, so I'm ready to start paying my tickets. So.
Okay, you got a plan. Go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you. Jonathan Sanchez, please. Mr. Sanchez, good morning. Go ahead, state your name for the record.
It's going to be Jonathan Tapia Sanchez.
And Mr. Sanchez, what is your date of birth?
December 3rd, 1992.
All right, and you are here today, sir, on 2 matters. Hold on. Give me just a second. should have made myself a better note. Oh, okay, I did make myself a note. All right, Mr. Sanchez. All right, you are here today because, well, two reasons. One, because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a arrest warrant in a direct complaint alleging that on or about March 1st, 2024, you committed the offense of aggravating driving or actual physical control of a vehicle while under the influence of an intoxicating liquor or drugs, a Class 4 felony. There's two counts of that, both committed on March 1st at 2020, March 1st, 2024, and both Class 4 felonies. You are also here today because you were already on probation in your case CR 2019-125814. So the violations that occurred on March 1st, 2024 would constitute a violation of your 2019 probation terms, right? So I spent a good amount of time looking at your case, and I did see that you have been in really good contact with your probation and that you've been really working your probation. It also looks like you're employed. Is that true? Okay. So, and I also, I know you've had, one of the things I always look at is track record, and you have had a good opportunity between March 1st of 24 and today to build a positive track record, be in contact with your probation, and do what you need to do. So in both of these cases, I am appointing you an attorney, and so let's talk about your direct complaint case, which is the 25 case. I am setting hearings on May 1st at 8:30 in the morning and May 5th at 8:30 in the morning, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Will you go to those?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. In the probation case, which is the CR 2019 case, also appointing you an attorney in that case, and setting hearings on April 23rd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Will you go to that hearing as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Keep staying keep staying sober, keep in contact with your probation, and keep showing up to work. Okay?
Thank you.
All right, step to the left. Don't forget, you need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours of your release.
I will, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, is that Carvalho? All right, go ahead, state your name for the record, ma'am.
Yvette Carvalho, June 30th, 1984.
Thank you. And you are here today because the Goodyear Municipal Court issued a warrant for your arrest for a failure to pay matter. Because of the nature of the charges, you are not entitled to have me appoint an attorney for you today. That doesn't mean that you can't retain an attorney at your own expense. And you do have the right to do that. I am setting a hearing for you on April 30th at 1 p.m. in the Goodyear Municipal Court. Will you go to that?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance. Go ahead, step to the left. Officer will have paperwork for you. Javier Carinas Ayala, please.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Ayala. Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Javier Cardenas Ayala.
Mr. Ayala, what is your date of birth?
November 8th, 1990.
Thank you. And you are here today, sir, on two warrants out of, I think they're both out of justice court. Let's talk about yes, for failure to appear in two justice court matters. Because of the nature of these violations, you are not entitled to have me appoint an attorney for you today, but you do have the right to retain an attorney at your own expense. In the Country Meadows? No. Okay. So your first case is a Country Meadows Justice Court case, which is TR 2021-11346662. In that case, I am setting a hearing for you on May 1st at 8:30 a.m. in the Country Meadows Justice Court. Will you go to that?
Yes, miss.
Okay. In the second case, the second case is in the West McDowell Justice Court. I'm setting a hearing for you in the West McDowell Justice Court on May 6th at 1:30 p.m. Will you go to that one?
Yes, miss.
Okay, I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance. Make sure you go to your hearings and take care of what you need to get taken care of, okay?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead, step one.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Akite, please. All right, sir, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Angel Chamale.
What's your last name one more time?
Chamale.
Chamale? Okay. Mr. Chamale, go ahead, and what is your date of birth?
November 16th, 1997.
All right, Mr. Chamale, you are here because you were arrested yesterday on 2 charges. The first one was possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I didn't find probable cause for that. The second charge was possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I did find probable cause for that. I am appointing you an attorney, and I should mention on the charge that I did not find probable cause for. That doesn't mean that that violation is dismissed. It just means based on the limited information that I have that I'm not finding probable cause on it, and a complaint with those charges may still be brought against you. I am setting hearings on May 1st at 8:30 and May 5th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Will you go to those?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance. Okay? Step to the left, officer will have the paperwork for you. All right, ready to do the house calls?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we have 3 individuals. Wait, no, I can't. Oh my goodness, how many? 5 individuals that are unable to be with us here in court this morning because they are a danger to self or others, or not otherwise able to function for with regard to being able to appear in court. The first house call is Rafael Bustamante. Mr. Bustamante's date of birth is August 19th, 1986. Mr. Bustamante is here on 2 matters. The first matter is a new case following his arrest yesterday for aggravated assault of a first responder, a Class 6 felony, criminal trespass in the 2nd degree, a Class 2 misdemeanor, and obstruction, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I am appointing Mr. Bustamante an attorney in this case, and I'm setting hearings on April 22nd at 8:30 and April 24th at 8:30. Both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in this first case in the amount of $10,000. In Mr. Bustamante's second case, which is a warrant out of the Tolleson Municipal Court, for failure to pay. I am in that case appointing Mr. Bustamante an attorney. Finding that Mr. Bustamante is indigent, and an attorney should be appointed for him at his next hearing, which should be on April 21st at 8:30 in Tolleson Municipal Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in the second Tolleson Municipal Court case in the amount of $50. Okay. Our next house call is Mikal Goodall. Mr. Goodall's date of birth is January 29th, 1980. Mr. Goodall is here following the Maricopa County Superior Court issuing 3 warrants in his cases CR 2025-001400 and CR 2014-158512 and CR 2021-141576. And the warrants in all of those cases were for failure to appear. In those cases, I am setting let's see, in the 2015 case, actually, let me back up. I am not appointing Mr. Goodall an attorney in any of these cases because one should already have been appointed for him. I am setting hearings on April 23rd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court in all of these cases. In the 2015 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. In the 2014 case, I am setting, in the 2014 case, I am setting that, I am finding that Mr. Goodall is not, is non-bondable in that case because of the violation of probation. In the 21 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. With regard to Robert Talbot, whose date of birth is, our next person is Robert Talbot, whose date of birth is 5/27 of 95. Mr. Talbot was arrested yesterday on charges of I'm gonna change Mr. Talbot's. Mr. Talbot was arrested yesterday on charges of indecent exposure, a Class 1 misdemeanor, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony, and possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing Mr. Talbot an attorney, and I am setting hearings on April 22nd at 8:30 and April 24th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in Mr. Talbot's case in the amount of $750. Our next house call is Felipe Cabada. Mr. Cabada's date of birth is September 21st, 1991. And all right. Mr. Cabada was arrested yesterday on charges of assault, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I am, for purposes of appointing an attorney, I am finding that Mr. Cabada is indigent and an attorney should be appointed for him at his next hearing, which should be on May 6th at 9:30 in the White Tank Justice Court. My inclination is to release Mr. Cabada on his own recognizance. Our next house call is Darren Patterson, and Mr. Patterson is here on 3 matters. The first matter is an out-of-county warrant out of the Pinal County Superior Court. For purposes of appointing Mr. Patterson an attorney in this case, I am finding that he is indigent and an attorney should be appointed at his next hearing, which will be on April 21st at 8:30 in the Pinal County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in the Pinal County matter in the amount of $1,000. Now, Mr. Patterson is also here on 2 Maricopa County warrants for probation violations. I am appointing him an attorney in both of those matters, which are Maricopa County Superior Court cases CR 2024-000753 and CR 2023-13595. As I said, I'm appointing him an attorney in both of those Maricopa County cases and setting hearings on April 23rd at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In Mr. Patterson's 2024 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $50. In Mr. Patterson's 2023 case, I am also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $50. If anything changes after I speak with the individuals for whom I will be doing house calls, I will update my written order. And with that, the 9 o'clock initial appearance calendar, did I miss one?
8 a.m.
Sorry. The 8 a.m. initial appearance calendar we'll stand adjourned until 11 a.m. Please be seated.
Let's go ahead and get the Spanish speaker up if we could. It's Cabrata. Can we get Mr. Cabrata up here, please? Let's try to get the interpreter out of here. All right, I need just one moment to finish logging in. Un momento, señor. All right, is the interpreter able to hear me?